Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a publication within LocalGov Drupal. Publications are a relatively new content type. If you look under Add Content on the dashboard, you will see there is publication cover page and publication page. So always start with publication page. If you click it, it will open up a blank publication page. For this example, there's a page here to do with phishing, and there are a number of documents, and we're going to turn them into publication. So this is the first one, which is Dumfries Common Good Phishing Regulations 2024. So that becomes the title. You can copy and paste text, but in this example, the text is in block capital, so I'm just going to type it in. So that's the title. Then under content, you click the plus sign. So you can add a whole variety of components. So you can just make it a text document that is very similar to the PDF. If you're creating something like a council plan or a strategy document that has more of a visual nature, you can add images, you can add banners, you can add accordions, fact box, whatever's available to you, you can add it into here. So for this example, we're just going to add text. So I'm only going to add a couple of things as a test, but you can either copy the whole thing. One thing that is coming down the line is the ability to import data and information directly from a document, but that isn't currently available. So for now, it is a manual process. So when you paste it in, it will need a bit of playing around. So depending on how the PDF has been put together. So in this instance, you can see that it hasn't quite brought over the bulleting numbers correctly. So you will need to sort that out. And you can save that. In terms of adding other things as well, you basically click the plus. So you could add a banner, for instance, and you could find your image, you select it. This could be the title, so Dumfries Fishing Lakes, how we are helping to conserve fishing stocks or sticks, and you can save that, and you'll see it's added the banner. So you can basically go through and add whatever it is you want to add. Then you've got published date and updated date, so we will select the date. When it's grayed out like that, it means it won't show it, so you have to actually select it. Updated date, I don't do that when I first create the published document. I only would expect to do that if the document is updated, so you can choose a different updated date. And then under here on the right, you've got publication outline. So if it's a new publication, you basically select create a new publication, and then I'm going to set that to published, and we're going to publish that. And you'll see here we are. So this at the top here is the title. We've got the publication date. This is the text, and there's the banner, and you've got the text that we added in that. So that's page one. You can see there's no navigation as such, so you can either have page navigation or section navigation. So if you create a second page, if you go content, add content, publication page, there's more than one document I was going to combine. So this is the second one, which is to do with salmon. So this is going to be, I've already done it before, so I'm just going to select that. Then again, you would follow the same process. So we can just take this text here, just going to clean it up and paste it in. again, it will need some tidying up. Again, depending on how these documents are put together, some of them need more work than others. So I'm just going to make this a series of bullets. And I will save that. Again, you can set the publication date. Then under publication outline, you use the drop down to find the publication that you just created, which is this one. I'll set that to published and save. And you'll see it's now created navigation. So where it says Dumfries Common Good Fishing Regulations at the top here, that is the sort of title of the publication. And then this is this title is the child of that. And you'll see under publication navigation, you've got page 1, so this is the first page, the one that had the banner on, and then the summon one is the second page. So that creates section navigation. It also creates these previous and next links, so which is particularly handy on longer pages. The other thing that you can do as well is create in-page navigation using heading 2s. So if we go back to this page and we make this a heading 2, and we add another heading 2, you'll see that what it actually does is it uses those headings 2s to automatically create on this page navigation. So now we've got on this page, which is fishing seasons, which is this heading 2 here, and then another H2, which is this one here. So that's again a good way of allowing users to select the content within the publication that they're interested in. So that's publications. There's also cover pages. So this is one I've already created, and you'll see that it sits within a cover page. So if I filter by cover pages, you'll see this is the one I created. So this will look familiar if you've ever looked at a publication on gov.uk. It's a way of allowing you to link to different publication types. So this has got a link to the HTML publication and it has a link to the PDF. So you basically click that and it will take you to the HTML version of the fishing regulations, or if you actually want to download the PDF, it will link you to that. The way that you do it, if I click edit here and show you, you have a title. You can again select the publication date. You can set a banner as well, and then under documents, this is where it has this lookup. So if you start typing in here, you'll see that it will find the HTML publication. So on this one, this is the publication, the HTML version. So you just select it, and then you can select multiple media files. So this could be an easy access, easy read version of a document, or the PDF or a doc, or whatever it is. And then when you save it, it automatically creates this page. So it will also automatically put this text which says this file may not be suitable for users of assistive technology. So you can have multiple links on here. You will see as well that I have placed this within the fishing section from the breadcrumbs. So if you go to fishing, you'll see here under regulations, instead of having 2 PDFs, which is basically how it is on the old version of this website, you'll see that you can now link straight to the publication. So this links to the regulations, and then this NIF conservation policy links to a secondary page within this. This is the one I did earlier. So you can see that that allows you to link straight through to the files. So it allows the user to have more of a circular journey. One thing it doesn't do, it doesn't have a parent lookup. So when you are trying to change the navigation, so if you're trying to, in here, you can't look up the URL. You have to actually untick the generate auto URL and actually force it to place it into the section that you want. This is still being worked on as a content type, so there will be more releases to fix some of the things like URLs, I think. But for now, that is how you create an HTML application. Hope that's been useful. Thank you.